Today I'll tell you one of the best optimizer for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. So you need to open your Microsoft Store and search WinToys. Yes, WinToys. Once you type it in the Microsoft Store, you will find the results. The best part of this optimizer is that it's there in the Microsoft Store and it is absolutely free. The ratings are very high. If I click on this WinToys, I can see the average rating is 4.8 and you just need to click on install and you don't have to pay anything for it. That's the best part. So I can click on open since I have installed it. And the moment I click on that, it will open up like this and it will show you what type of processor you have, graphics, memory and everything. And the optimizer will look like this. And here you need to go to this boost menu. And from here, you can turn on the ultimate power plan. That is amazing. According to me, if you do not have high performance or ultimate performance in your power plan, you can turn it on from here. That's really great thing. And you can also turn on the GPU acceleration, virtualization based security and everything. You can disable startup apps, and from this health optimization you can turn on the fast startup, but I would not recommend if your startup is fine because it might go to in that loop or something. So I would not recommend to do the fast startup. However, you can do the drive optimization. You can turn on the storage sense. You can repair PC. Trust me, this is so good. You can run the DISM, SFC, CHK, DSK, all these Microsoft repair tools, which we do it in the command prompt, that can be done from here as well. And I'm really stunned with these features. I can do repair, I can do the cleanups, like junk file, file explorer, Microsoft Store, DNS. A lot of things I can rebuild the icons cache. So you can also do that. You can also try this and just play around with this. I would not recommend to do the fast startup except this. You can use everything. Alright. And please do let me know in the comment section how exactly the WinToys is for you. And please hit the like and subscribe. And please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Please do consider hit the like button. Take care. Bye-bye.